Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL 600BT Live to your MacBook. So to do this, you'll need to go to your Bluetooth, press on it, Bluetooth preferences. Now turn Bluetooth on, and from here you'll need to enable your headphones with button which is located on your right headphone, like this. So the light starts to be constant white. Now move your headphone to the other side, like this. And here's the Bluetooth button. You press on it once, and now your headphones light should start blinking in blue. And they should be visible in your devices. So I press connect. And we're connected. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.